let's dive further into Bing. So right off the bat, you'll notice that we have 3 different modes here. The 3 different modes of Bing stay pretty true to their names, and like it states, if you want the most factually accurate and concise answer, you want to choose precise. If you want a more creative answer, you would want to choose creative. If you want something in the middle, you would want to choose balanced. In my experience, the creative mode is most similar to ChatGPT. So if you're looking for a ChatGPT type response, I would choose the creative mode, where the precise mode seems to lean a little heavier on referencing exactly the information it's getting from online, and the balanced mode obviously being a balance between the two. When I'm using Bing, I'm usually using it for some factual information, so I personally like to use the precise mode, but all 3 of these modes are available to use depending on your use case. If you'll go up to the top here, you'll notice we have Chat, Compose, and Insights. So Chat is the most standard way to use Bing. The Compose mode is the best place to write down ideas, emails, blogs, paragraphs, whatever content you need to create. You can easily change the tone with these tone buttons, the format with these format buttons, and the length with these length buttons. You can simply ask a question or a broad statement, like it says here, write about the history of the Netherlands with an enthusiastic tone for a medium-length blog post. Or you could say an invitation for an office party in a professional short email. And here you go. You can see if we wanted to iterate it, Bing has populated with its own suggestions. So let's go ahead and add a catchy subject line. And there we have it. Or you could even ask a question. What is string theory? And there we have it. If we wanted to try again with a different length or a different tone, it's just a click away and you regenerate the draft. Now we have a more casual tone. With comparing Bing to ChatGPT, the most obvious difference is that Bing is connected to the internet. So in the next lessons, we'll be exploring the possibilities that have opened up with Bing.